talking about the fresh update that is coming in on Republic TV. And that is the big controversy over Kejriwal's luxurious, I repeat, luxurious residence. What we see right now is after this audit report on Kejriwal outlining his lavish spendings on the residence, his huge residence with a lot of amenities, luxury that you can see on the left hand of your screen. The BJP has escalated its attack, saying that while the people continue to suffer, the Aam Aadmi Party chief is spending thousands of crores on himself. The BJP has said that the report now exposes how much of taxpayer money has Kejriwal wasted on this big and huge, luxurious residence. Let's listen in to all the reactions coming in.
Mr. Kejriwal cannot hide the path of AAP. Mr. Kejriwal can never cover up the shameful sins and shocking frauds of the AAP by conveniently hiding it behind the fancy curtains or beneath the silk carpets which he has put under a Sheesh Mahal. The CAG audit trail has been explosive and has exposed the AAP. The AAP government, which is embroiled in a liquor scam corruption, has intoxicated with power, drunk with power, has now misused the taxpayers' money and has spent 33.6 crores of taxpayers' money in putting mini bars, marble stone in the Sheesh Mahal, which Mr. Kejriwal had constructed for himself.
Right, so you heard those reactions coming in where the BJP has escalated their attack. And now the Prime Minister Modi, remember, had addressed a Parivartan rally with that happened on Sunday and said that the Aam Aadmi Party government has utilized the centre's funds in a wrong way. And instead of spending that money on welfare, they endorse their luxurious splurges.
जब दिल्ली के लोग ऑक्सीजन और दवाओं के लिए भटक रहे थे, तब इन लोगों का पूरा फोकस अपना शीश महल बनवाने में था। इन्होंने शीश महल का भारी भरकम बजट बनाया और आज इस अखबार ने खुलासा किया है कि कैसे इस शीश महल पर उस बजट से भी 3 गुना ज्यादा पैसे खर्च किए गए। जब दिल्ली के लोग ऑक्सीजन और दवाओं के लिए भटक रहे थे, तब इन लोगों का पूरा फोकस अपना शीश महल बनवाने में था। इन्होंने शीश महल का भारी भरकम बजट बनाया और आज इस अखबार ने खुलासा किया है कि कैसे इस शीश महल पर उस बजट से भी 3 गुना ज्यादा पैसे खर्च किए गए।